dare to confront me, I will show you.
Don't be sad, Pippi. We will win next time. It's my fault too, Pippi. Don't be sad. Yes, it's all your fault for being so bad. I don't want to see your face anymore. Get out of here and never come back, McQueen. Go!
Oh no!
Oh my god.
From desert sands to mountain peaks, through winding turns, I'm never weak. Lightning McQueen is the name of the game, but the skies grew dark, a storm ahead. I laughed and would bring it instead. Didn't see the danger, didn't feel the fall. Mother Nature's power crushed it all. Caught in the storm, I spun out of control. Tossed to the tides depths. They chased and attacked until the beast inside me struck back. Oh, lightning, lightning, what have you done? You're
You play dirty. That's against the rules.
There's my cord, no longer the listen. I rose from the sea with the boots. And alone.
Take the punishment.
Climbing short, I knew.
Run.
You and that kitten are just losers.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Where the tides take a toll. Down in the depths, they chased and attacked until the beast inside me struck back. Oh, lightning, lightning, what
McQueen, where are you?
into the shadows. A ghost of glory from my past years. No one's near, the loneliness whispers what I fear. Caught in the storm.
I'm sorry, McQueen. I was wrong. I realized one thing. Winning or losing doesn't matter. What matters is that we tried our best together. Please forgive me and come home with me.
Hello, everyone. If you're passionate about thrilling stories, stunning visuals, and a one-of-a-kind superhero universe, hit the follow and subscribe button for Supercat AI now. Don't forget to tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest videos. Join us on these unforgettable adventures today. Thank you.